Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Rachel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can keep up with all of my fitness, event planning, and mommy videos. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a baby stroller workout that you can do whether you're in your neighborhood or at the park. So keep watching this video. Alright you guys, so like I said, we're going to be doing a baby stroller workout. I've got my sister and Princeton is here with us, and we're going to do a workout today because, like I mentioned in my postpartum video, it's been difficult to try to balance everything, but now that my baby is 10 weeks, I am able to work out fully. I was cleared to work out when I was at 6 weeks, but I just didn't really have it in me to want to work out, so that's kind of like why I really wasn't working out. But now I'm kind of developing a better workout routine. So luckily, again, like I said, I've got my sister here and she's gonna record the workout, but she also comes with me and we motivate each other because we got to get these bodies snatched, right? Yes. So for the first exercise, we're gonna be doing some lunges. As you guys can see, I'm making sure that my knees are not going over my toes. Lunges is a great way to tone your butt and your legs. So what I'm going to be doing is about 20 of these all the way down. And then once I finish those lunges, I'm going to jog with the jogging stroller because this is a jogger stroller. And that is a great way to also get my cardio, but also like superset. Doing lunges, run, another exercise, run, and that's pretty much what this video is going to be. I'm going to be doing 4 more exercises. So that was number 1. I'm going to run, like I said, do 20 lunges, and then run. If you need a break, take a break. I've got water. Make sure you always have water, and never go past your limits. Just do what your body can do. We just finished a run, so the next exercise will be standing squats. You're going to push as you're squatting, so it's all in one motion. Squat push, squat push. The magic number today is 20. So you're gonna do 20 squats while you're pushing your stroller 20 times. All right, and once you finish that exercise, you'll do another run, of course, which is what we're about to do. All right, here we go. All right, so the next exercise you're gonna do after you finish your run is standing high knee, or walking high knees actually. So we're just gonna be pushing our stroller, walking, doing high knees. Do high knees while you're pushing your stroller. Again, the magic number is 20. And as you guys know, after you finish these 20 walking high knees, you will go into a jog with your stroller. So now we're gonna do what is called kickbacks. So I'm going to still push my stroller while I'm doing this exercise. And like my sister said, you can walk in between.
Take like 2 steps.
So kick, walk, kick, walk, kick. Again, our magic number is 20. Walk in between, kick. All right, you guys, so now we're on to the last exercise, exercise number 5. We're going to do some calf raises. So after you finish running and doing the other 4 exercises, make sure you're watching your stroller, of course, and we're just gonna do some calf raises. And we're going to do 20 of them. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5 more, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed the baby stroller workout. I'll make sure to upload more baby stroller workouts because I do plan to be working out more now that my body's feeling up to it. Again, make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.